Okay, I'm just going to make a quick video of my Singer 29-4. This is like a patcher cobbler's machine. This one was made June 7th of 1905. It was part of a production run of 1,000 machines. This would be machine number 64 off the line. And that would make it 113 years old. And I just got done, been working on the machine this morning. I took off the needle plate and buffed that out, and took the bobbin case out and buffed that. Set the tension in the bobbin case, and just did some general cleaning to get some of the grime out of there that the previous owner, I don't know if he really even used it much or if he just looked at it, but it's working very well now. I've just got it on my, I made a little testing base here with electric motor so I can run my industrial machines without having to have them on the stand. The cast iron stand for this one is out in the shop and it's in good condition. It's got a leather belt on it, and it'll be going back out there and put together and displayed the way it's supposed to be. And over here's my 18-2 Singer. That's a left-handed leather machine for shoes and things like that. That one there, you can also turn a pretty tight corner. But let's get back to the 29-4. And I'm just going to do a quick test run because the 29-4 is going to be for sale. And this way anybody that's interested can see that it is working the right way. I like to hold the threads here and just grab a couple stitches just to make sure it's not going to pull the thread. And I'll just use my test motor to run the machine. That way I don't have to attempt to treadle and run it. Alright. I've got two different colors thread, in the green in the bobbin, and I've got like a tan color coming through the needle here. And adjusted the tension up today, and it looks pretty good. We're not seeing really any gold on the bottom, and we're not seeing any green on the top, so it's a very balanced stitch. All right.